If you are about to buy a camera in 2026, there is a good chance you are about to waste your money, not because the camera is bad but it already obsolete. Today I am showing the camera retailer want you top buy because they are clearing shelves, not because they are good value. Camera that look like a safe entry makes absolutely no financial sense, so let's start with number 3. The ZV-1 of Sony. In a world where vlog camera ZV-1 still uses the old micro USB. It's slower for data transfer, slower for charging, and means you have to carry an extra cable just for this camera. Filming in a do cameras sound difficult, so let the camera work do the immediately with just one push. If you are shooting long 4K clips in a hot environment within, switch to a blurred background. The ZV-1 is notorious for overheating. It will show a yellow warning icon and then shut down with another push completely to cool off, which can ruin a shoot. Never wait for the focus. If you have the camera on a tripod or a vlogging grip, you cannot open the battery door for recognizes and focuses on faces in the even eyes. This camera is fragile of the autofocus. It has no protection against dust or moisture. Keeps your face bright. If you get caught in a light drizzle or you're filming at a dusty beach, there is a high risk natural skin tone of the lens mechanism getting jammed or the electronics failing. While the screen is touch sensitive, you can only use clear voice recording it to tap to focus even in windy places. You cannot use the touch screen and more to navigate the actual menus or change. Forget about shakiness. You have to use the tiny physical buttons and scroll through Sony's old, complicated menu lists. And just tell your story. While the 1-inch sensor is better than most smartphones, it's still small compared to professional cameras. If you are filming in a dimly lit room, a restaurant, or at night, the video becomes created for creation, grainy, very quickly. Vlog camera ZV-1, you'll see little dots dancing in the dark areas of your video. On a very bright, sunny day, the glare on the LCD screen makes it almost impossible to see what you are filming. The number 2 X-T30 II, you will accidentally press it constantly while just holding the camera. Of the in my 3 homes, right in the middle of a great shot, a giant menu will pop up on your screen and block your view. It is incredibly annoying. If you want to vlog or take a selfie, you cannot see yourself. This makes it a very poor choice for content creators who work alone. You will get roughly 300 to 350 shots per charge. If you are shooting 4K video, the battery drains like a leaking bucket. You'll definitely need to carry 2 or 3 spares. There is almost no grip for your fingers. If you attach a heavy or large lens, the camera becomes very front heavy, and your hand will start to ache after 30 minutes of shooting. Most people have to buy an expensive, third-party metal grip just to make it comfortable. You have to carry a dongle or an adapter just to plug in a normal microphone. If you lose that tiny adapter, you can't record audio. You are a vlogger, you have large hands, or you hate carrying extra batteries. Because the sensor in the X-T30 reads data relatively slowly, it suffers from significant rolling shutter. This camera is a fair-weather camera. Unlike its bigger brother, the X-T3 or X-T4, the X-T30 has no gaskets or seals to protect it from the elements. A light drizzle of rain, a bit of sea spray at the beach, or even a very dusty environment can easily get inside the buttons or the lens mount and fry the electronics. You have to baby this camera. If you wear glasses, it is very difficult to see the entire frame. You'll find yourself constantly pressing your face against the camera just to see the settings in the corners. It feels like looking through a small, dark tunnel. If you take a burst of photos, like at a sports event or a wedding, the camera will frequently lock up or show a busy message while it slowly writes those photos to the card. You might miss the next big moment of Fujifilm because the camera is still thinking, gloves, or have slightly of X-T30 III. Number 1. Many Lumix cameras used contrast detect autofocus instead of phase detect. Autofocus can hunt or pulse, especially Lumix G100D video. Small and lightweight enhanced video record in 4K 30p or full HD 60p. No perfect focus on videographer and background as reliable for always know when you are recording. Rec frame indicator shoot from any angle. Free angle touch display. Fast moving subjects. Sports pickup sound. Clearly just using internal sound pickup range can be set according to the shooting intention. Older models like Panasonic Lumix GH5 had focus breathing issues in video. Tracking linked with face recognition, but older ones struggled. Direct access to slow and quick motion video recording, 5-axis hybrid image stabilization, have average battery life. Time-lapse shot, you may need extra batteries for long shoots. Not as strong high-quality images as DSLR battery performance. With the large selection of lenses of the one-click transfer to a smartphone, more noise in low light. Optional tripod grip for better. Some Lumix cameras, GH series, are bulky. Lumix G100D Panasonic.